Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a heater of some sort that I think goes under my laptop, and it's going to keep me warm. So we're going to give this thing a try and see if I can open it up first. Let's see if I can stab it with a charging nugget. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I don't have any scissors, so we're doing the brute force method of opening this heater. Let me just move a couple of these things out of the way that I currently have on my desk. Okay, so we have a piece of cardboard. We have the heater manual. We have an empty box, and we have the heating device. So let's put this over here. So let's check this heating device out. So right now it's 85 degrees here in Texas, but it's supposed to get cold again. It was like 40 a few days ago. So I'm trying this out on a extremely warm day, I guess. So let's see how we do this. I'm just going to read the instruction real briefly just to see. If you want to look at it, this is what the manual looks like. Can you see it? Maybe pause it and zoom in if you really need it. And we will put it under a monitor, which right now I have a weird monitor, but I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to put away my laptop here. I'll just stick it on the floor, and I'll move away some of this junk so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I have the device, and let's see, can we aim it down? No, I'll put you guys over here. Okay, so here we go. So I am putting it over here. You can see this is where it will go on the desk. And then I would put it under a monitor, like if I have the monitor. This is my little portable monitor, which doesn't move very much. But I'll just put it there for right now. Normally you would have a normal size monitor. This is for the office. I'm at home right now. But let's see if I want to plug it in. Let me plug it in. Okay, so we are plugged in now, and now we will have a nice little heater. And we have my monitor here is just not going to cut it. This is just not doing it. Okay, but let's see if we turn it on. Let's see, does it turn on? Okay, let's look at the instructions and see what we have. Do we have a switch somewhere? Sorry, I'm taking the monitor off. Let's see. We do have a switch over here, and we have two USB ports as well. So, pretty cool. So there. Now, we can turn it on. Ah, there we go. So now it is on, and it is on P1. So if I was sitting here working at my desk, I can smell it, and I can feel the heat. Oh, that is pretty warm. So we are on P1 here. Let's see if I try to push it again. P2. And then we are at... And then it goes to like a 15-second countdown. I'm not sure what that's going to do. I think that's probably just a burst for 15 seconds. Let's see. Yeah, but look at that. So this is really cool. So if you get cold, so I'm going to put it back up here a little bit. So if you're one of those people that gets cold at your desk, and while you're sitting there working and you're just like cold, this would be perfect because you just stick this on your desk, you put your monitor on top, you have your keyboard over here, it's blowing right at me, so I'm totally getting warm. I can totally feel all the heat. I'm sitting here boiling away, but you know, and then I can even set the time so it'll go for, you know, say 4 hours or so. It'll just keep sitting there and it'll just stay on for that amount of time. So it's really nice, and it looks nice. I can put little things on the sides. I can stick my phone or something in the side of it. So it's got little cubbies, and it's got really nice looking little, you know, features here. So it kind of will blend in, especially if you have like a nice white modern desk. This one here is perfect. And so it looks really nice, and it's got the switches here. So if you got some USB devices, you want to charge your phone or something like that on there, you totally can. So it's really nice, and it says don't cover, so you don't want to put anything in front of this because it'll probably catch on fire because it's a heater. but it's a nice little device. I like it, and it'll fit totally nice on top of the monitor. So when I get back to the office, I'm going to be setting up my monitor right on there, and it'll be perfect. And it actually raises it up a little bit, which is good too. I had it on a little stand, or actually a book, so this is going to be much better than that. So super cool. Thumbs up from me on this. I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.